Hola, amigos! Hello, friends! Welcome to Spanish Fun Time with Wander and Wonder. Today, we're going to learn something super exciting. The vowels in Spanish, and we will have a fun quiz at the end, so pay attention. Are you ready? Say sí, which means yes. Did you know that in Spanish, just like in English, we have vowels? But they sound a little different. Let's meet them one by one. First up is the letter A. In Spanish, we say ah. Can you say ah with me? Ah. Ah is for amigo, which means friend. Everyone say amigo. Amigo. Great job. Next is E. In Spanish, we say eh. Let's try it together. Eh. Eh is for elefante, which means elephant. Can you say elefante? Elefante. Great job. Now let's meet I. In Spanish, we say I, like a squeaky mouse. I. I is for isla, which means island. Say it with me, isla. Isla, you are doing great, amigos. Next is O. In Spanish, we say O. Let's try it. O. O is for oso, which means bear. Can you growl like an oso? Grr, grr. Can you say oso? Oso. Last but not least, we have U. In Spanish, we say ooh, like when you see something cool. Ooh. Ooh is for uba, which means grape. Let's all say uba together. Uba. Great job, amigos! Now let's put them all together. Ah, eh, I, o, oo. Can you say them with me? Ah, eh, I, o, oo. Now it's time for a fun quiz. Let's see how much you remember. What does A stand for? A, amigo. B, elefante. C, oso. If you said amigo, you're right. Muy bien. Next question, which vowel makes the sound E? The answer is A for E. Excellent! Next question, what is the Spanish word for grape? The answer is B for uva. Great job! You all did amazing today. Now you know the vowels in Spanish. Ah, e, I, o, u. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a Spanish superstar. Please let me know in the comments which topics you'd like to see more of, so we can have even more fun learning together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning. Adios, amigos.